Here's how to file on TurboTax for free. So you'll have to start your return on the free edition, or if you're on the do-it-yourself products of TurboTax, you can downgrade. That downgrade button is going to be down here in the lower left. It's going to be switch products, and you'll see downgrade. If you don't see downgrade, you're going to have to clear and start over. And you basically go through and just clear the return, and you're going to start fresh from the very beginning. And if you're just coming into TurboTax, this is your first time, then this next page will look familiar to you. It's got the little lady, she's waving. And so this is like the very first start page. And we can start for free if we skip all of these survey questions here and we hit continue. And then we say we're comfortable doing our own taxes. You can always get help if you need to. You can always upgrade if you want to. But we're going to file for free if you can. And so you want to go ahead and say you're comfortable doing it on your own and hit continue after that. Now it's going to recommend that basic free edition of TurboTax. Not everyone can actually file for free. It just depends on your tax situation. And so, but everyone can start for free here on TurboTax. And then if you encounter something like Schedule C for self-employment income or some other things, you might have to upgrade to the next lowest product, but you can start for $0. There's an affiliate link in the description that will actually save you 20% on anything you have to pay on TurboTax. So if you want to save some money there, you can click on that just in case you do have to upgrade. But that helps support this channel. Full disclosure, you don't have to click on it though. I'm just showing you the way that I start my TurboTax for free. I filed my own taxes last year, so I would click that, but you would click what applies for you, hit continue, and now you're on the free version of TurboTax, and you can go through and fill in all of your information. To actually file your taxes, you just follow through the guided step-by-step process. You can start here, and it's basically starting with your personal information. You can see on the left-hand side, this is kind of like the order of your tax return over here. So we're going to fill out information. Then we're going to do the federal tax return, wages and income, deductions and credits, other tax situations, and then you kind of review that section. And TurboTax looks for any other, deductions or credits or anything that might need more information. And then you go on to your state taxes, and then you review kind of the whole tax return, or TurboTax really kind of does the review, and then you finish and file. And that takes you through the process step by step. And if you do qualify for like that basic return, so I think it's just like a 1040 or something like that, simple return, then you can file for free. Now, you might have a tax situation that requires you to upgrade a little bit, but as you're going on and answering questions and one of those pops up, TurboTax will say, hey, if you want to do this, you just need to upgrade, and you can pick the cheapest one at that point. That's how you can file on TurboTax for free.